Hello, this is Kaya and me, Charlotte. Berukuro is the Japanese word for Velcro. The following pavilion, which we are presenting, was inspired by the origami and kinematic architecture. Origami conveys always a flexible shape and is known as the Japanese art of folding paper. As you can see, the triangle forms the basis of the concepts. The idea is to create a three-dimensional structure out of a plane surface. A two-dimensional net with the measurements of about 7 per 5 meters is our fundamental structure. We are arranging equilateral and isosceles wooden triangles systematically next to each other. It is important to know that rigid origami is a type of polyhedral origami, which deformation is concentrated on the crease lines during the folding and unfolding process without in-plane or out-of-plane deformation of each facet. Furthermore, since the deformation mechanism of rigid origami is determined only by its crease pattern, it is difficult to obtain various shapes with different degrees of freedom. Each triangle is made of a round alder profile. A groove is milled next to the Velcro, while a wire rope running in the groove absorbs the tensile forces, thus maintains the necessary pressure on the Velcro. Wooden triangles which are connected with Velcro offers a system that proves flexibility and modularity of the combination of each wooden triangle. Despite the flexibility of the triangles to each other, of the Velcro absorbs all the tensile and longitudinal forces. The corner connection of the triangles is very delicate and small. Accordingly, a very simple and stable connection is the idea. For the corner connection of the triangles, the Hofmann-Schwalbe 7 per 5.5 mm offers a suitable filigree solution. This results in a form-fit and force-fit wood connection, for which no further aids such as clamps or glue are required. Here you see the elements of our modular system. We used alder wood, which is light and resistant wood. In total, the pavilion came up with an approximately weight of 55 kilos. Since the pavilion is not heavy at all, it is easy to transport and unfold. As you can see in the picture, the base of the structure has two extremes, either completely unfolded or folded. This happens by pushing the corners together. The structure slowly curves upwards into 3 dimensions. Due to the fixed frame structure, a change in length must be ensured to allow the triangles to deform in relation to each other. To maintain this flexibility, the triangles are not connected in the corners but are joined together along their edges. For this connection, 2 pieces of Velcro per leg are attached to the tips of the triangles. The light construction enables the simple handling of individual elements. Due to the rounded shape of the edges, the parts rotate relatively to each other as if they were connected by hinges. Thanks to this, it is possible to convert a flat surface into a 3-dimensional body. With the folding system, the 3D structure can be put together playfully and literally in just a few minutes. Due to the flexibility and individuality, it is possible to build up a variation of folding systems for the interior and exterior. The main focus of the pavilion was the filigrane design, the angular shape, and the precise details, as you can see here in the video. From the outside, the pavilion conveys a more homogeneous character, while from the inside it seems more strong and sharp. The standardized triangles can be assembled flexible and individual to build small or large-scale structures. The filigrane design and the angular shape are the focus of the pavilion. With the folding systems, chairs, side tables, shelves, and more can be put together playfully. After use, the objects can be disassembled again and be stored easily. That was the Berukuro Pavilion. Thank you for your attention.